Alright guys, I want to give you a quick rundown of the fully electric old Soren Cafe Racer. So this goes 65 miles an hour with up to a 90-mile range. It has got keyless start, so you just hit this button a couple times and it starts right up. And then to turn it off, you would hit this top unlock button, and then to arm the alarm, hit the lock button. And speaking of alarm, there's been people asking what we have for anti-theft. So we got the alarm, and then we also have this down here, which comes standard on most motorcycles. That way nobody can actually pull it straight. It would just keep going in circles. And then you just unlock it. And then also, once the alarm is triggered and somebody's trying to pull it, it will actually kick into reverse and pull against them. And it's a 320-pound bike, so it's not easily able to be stolen. As far as the basics, so on top of keyless, you can actually put the key in as well. Takes a couple seconds for it to boot up. So it's fully ready now. It's ready to throttle. I'm not going to throttle too much because there are beautiful machines in front of the bike. Speaking of, we just got our sweaters in. They're really cool, super soft. So that's the front, that's the back, and they're amazing. They're on the website. I know a lot of you guys have wanted sweaters, so there they are. Back at this, so the kill switch right here, so if you're throttling and you get nervous, you just hit this kill switch, it shuts off the bike. Right here are your lights, so this is completely off, as you can see right there. And then daytime lights, it's just a little ring. And then nighttime light actually turns on the whole headlight, and then your brights are going to be located right here on the left. You're mostly going to be wanting to ride on daytime lights. During the day, you never want them completely off, just for safety reasons. Right here are the speed modes. So first mode would be your moped mode, which caps the bike out at about 20 miles an hour. Second mode caps you out at 45 miles an hour. Third mode caps you out at 65 miles an hour. And then below is your drive and reverse. You're never really going to use reverse, but just in case you're parked at an angle and you need to back the bike up, as it is a 320-pound bike, reverse will just kind of creep back. And then we also have a safety sensor in there, so if you're riding, say, at 45 miles an hour and you accidentally hit reverse, nothing's going to happen. It has to be at a complete stop for up to 4 seconds before it will switch into reverse. And so you're good there. Nothing crazy would happen. And then down here, you have horns on both sides, the right side and the left side. That's just in case one hand is compromised. And then on this side, you have your blinkers. So left blinker, in order to turn that off, you just press that white button, and then same with the right blinker. And then we're still working on a different speedometer, but this is what we have for now. So this shows that you're in mode 2 right now. So if you go to mode 3, that'll switch over to mode 3. And your battery life right there, your miles per hour, and the mileage of the bike. And then as far as the battery, so it is a full 72 volt 60 amp hour, so it fits this whole entire area of the bike. The battery box is made out of iron, and it's actually handmade. So with the Founder series, only the first 100 bikes are going to get this battery box that are handmade. So they all look alike, but not one of them are exactly alike, which makes the bike super unique. And so if you get one of these, it's a good investment. You know, if you keep the bike for so many years and we grow larger and larger and larger, and you have one of the first 100 bikes, this proves that you have one of the first 100 bikes of the handmade battery box. And we also put a Founder series badge on the inside of the door. And then right here is your hub motor. So this is a 4,000 watt hub motor. And then as far as the brakes have 2 different pistons. It's just for safety reasons. As you can see, full on motorcycle brakes, huge rotors. So if you hit your front brake, your back brake is also going to hit a little bit. And then same with, you know, both sides. So you can see that there's 2 different brake lines coming down to each piston. So again, if you hit your back brake, your front brake's also gonna hit a little bit. And that's pretty much the gist of the bike. Your tail light, everything's DOT approved. Yeah.